This is the ejector pump that had to be installed on the Bluffside project. We have a holding tank inside of the corrugated steel. The corrugated steel is just to keep the soil off of the holding tank and keep that tank accessible for us. Within that tank itself is a motor and a float. And when the waste from the house, which goes into that tank, reaches a certain level, the float will activate the motor. The motor will eject the waste from the tank up towards the street. So it will come out the line that you see right here, that PVC line that runs back up our trench towards the front of the house where the street's located. So let's go down there and take a look and see exactly what happens when we get over there. Now you can see from the other end of the trench where the line coming out of the ejector pump runs through this trench, turns, heads back up to the street. That's a water line in the trench next to it. Runs back up here, ties into a backflow preventer that is located right here under this manhole, and then shoots straight out here into the cul-de-sac where there is a main lift station located underneath the asphalt. You can see our green lines right here. Those signify the sewer line, which runs right back down there to the manhole cover. And located down underneath that manhole cover is the lift station for this cul-de-sac, which then takes the waste and ejects it back up the street. You can see we have a pretty significant slope, and hits the main sewer line up at the head of the street. So that's how we have to eliminate waste from this area here, because obviously we can't get a gravity feed out of it. So that's what an ejector pump is essentially, in very simple terms.